Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Mehta. Welcome to CLAT Simplified series of videos wherein I discuss the common problems that a student preparing for CLAT face. Now, recently I have started a series for CLAT 21, keeping in mind that only few weeks are left for CLAT 21. I hope you have watched the other videos. If not, please do watch. You will be the link is shared in the description box. Please watch those videos. Now, today I am going to discuss how shall you ace the English section in 30 days. So almost 30 days are left for the CLAT exam. What are the things that you should do to ace the English section of the exam? So let us begin. So first and foremost, let us understand where do you stand right now. Analyze it yourself. Where do you stand right now? For the English section, if you are scoring more than 70% marks, that is if you are scoring 21 marks out of the 30 of this section, you can call this section as your strength. 50 to 70% you are moderate at it, and less than 50% is that means that you need to work on it. This section is your weakness. Remember two things while evaluating. Time taken for the section should be 25 to 30 minutes. So don't only focus on the marks, also focus on that time. If you are taking 25 to 30 minutes time and scoring 21, yes, then this section is your strength. If you are scoring 12 marks but you are only giving 10 minutes time to this section, or say 15 minutes time to this section, I can't say whether this section is your strength, moderate or weakness, because you are giving less time. So both the things are important. The second thing is that judge your performance in a standard test. Not too easy, not too difficult. So of late, if you are writing difficult mocks and if your marks are not up to the mark, say you are scoring 14 15 in a very difficult mock, so then you cannot judge yourself where you stand. Same is the case if you are writing too easy mocks. So judge your performance in a standard test. Now you will ask me, what is a standard test? So CLAT 2020 paper, that's the standard test, because you are expecting a similar level of paper this year. Or you can pick any year's CLAT English section wherein RC dominated. So CLAT 2011 is a good benchmark. Pick CLAT 2011 paper and solve the entire English section in 25 to 30 minutes and see how many marks you score. Remember, that paper was of 40 marks. So if you are scoring anywhere between 28 plus or 30 plus marks, then you can say in 25 to 30 minutes, then you can say that yes, English section is your strength. Now, so that is something that you need to keep in mind. Judge yourself in a standard test. Now, what are the things to do in the next 30 days? The first thing is that revisit the basics. What I mean by revisiting the basics means the concept. What are the different types of question and what are the approach to solve any particular type of the question? What is the approach, or what are the different approaches to solve the passages? See yourselves, what works for you. It may be quite different from what works for someone else. So see it for yourself, that which approach is better, reading the questions first then going to the passage, or reading the passage first and then going to the question. Whatever works for you, you need to understand that. Of course, revisiting the concepts and the type of questions and how to solve such questions, very important. Second thing is, keep on writing mocks, sectional test 3 to 4 every week. So 3 to 4 mock test or sectional test of English every week and analyzing them. Very important. So we are saying that now almost 5 weeks are left for CLAT. So you will be writing almost around 15 to 20 English test. Maybe out of those 20, 10 may be in the form of the entire mock test, all the 5 section, and 10 may be in the form of the sectional test. The third thing is that keep track of your mistakes. Very important to keep track of all the mistakes that you commit. Make notes when you are studying in the when you're writing the mock. Whatever mistakes you are committing, please make note of such mistakes. Then practice at least 5 passages daily. Best source, previous year CLAT and IELTS paper in form of test. So one is writing the mock test and sectional test, the other is practicing 5 passages every day. You have, if you have the paper of CLAT and IELTS, I'm sure past 12 years itself, you will get minimum 40 to 50 passages combined CLAT and IELTS paper. So 40 to 50 passages, solve 5 passages every day. Next 10 days, you can finish the entire stuff. When you do it, take it in the form of the test so that you can also keep track of the time. Best material is solving previous year CLAT paper. Remember, don't do anything new at this stage. Now we are reaching towards the end of our preparation. No point doing something new. So somebody would have told you that solve CAT passages. They are very good quality, but then that's not relevant. Do what is relevant. Keep track of the various type of questions asked. So when you are solving previous year papers, of course, keep track of various type of questions asked, so that you know what kind of or what level of question is asked in the exam. Last, for the reading part, that is, read daily for an hour. Diverse reading is very, very important. Read daily for an hour. Newspaper editorial, magazines. In one of my videos, I shared top sources according to me for eclectic reading. You can refer that. So this is for the reading part. Now coming to the grammar, because you can expect 3 to 4 questions from the grammar, and these questions are very easy. What I will suggest is just focus on parts of speech, articles, pronouns, prepositions, subject, verb, agreement, and tenses. These 6 topics. Focus on these 6 topics. Solve 50 questions from each topic. That should be sufficient. So this is how you should focus on the English section. I will be coming up with the videos on other sections too very soon. I hope you implement these recommendations, and I'm sure that you will benefit from these. Thank you very much, guys.